welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another secret website to make money online as an artist, as a creative entrepreneur, as a print-on-demand seller. Now today's website is another amazing and it is kind of like unique, and also if you are looking for another option to sell your work online, then this is exactly for you. Let's get started with that. Before we go past, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you in making money online. The link in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out all the freebies and download it because it contains the full commercial license. About today's website, because today's website is like I've been talking a lot about print-on-demand services website. Like from 2 weeks I've been talking about, like for the custom cat was that the website that is kind of like a print-on-demand website, which is not a marketplace, but it was providing the service. If you want to check out all the videos of the secret website, I'm going to leave the complete playlist in the card section above. You can check it out because this is a series. Each and every week I introduce you to a new platform, to a new website, to a new tool where you can use to make more money online. Because this channel is all about helping the creative people, helping the artist and designer to make money online by the way introducing to the different methods, different websites, and different kinds of stuff. So let's talk about today's website, guys. Today's website is another unique website. It's not a generic one. I have here this website for the very first time while I was researching on the internet about the various print-on-demand websites, which I haven't heard about it. And I am also new to this. I am not selling by this platform, but I'm going to be talking about what's unique and what you can do about it. Without further ado, let me talk about the website. The website is teechip.com. I don't know. I have heard this thing for the first time. If you have ever heard that before, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, teechip.com is a website. It's another print-on-demand website. Now, what's unique about this website and how you're going to sell and how you're going to get paid? I'm going to be talking about all those things. So first, let's talk about what are the products that you can sell on the Teechip. There are the men, women, youth and baby, home and living, accessories and jewelry. There are the different kinds of the categories they have on the website. You can even check the product catalog and that link in the description box below. You can check it out. Now, if we go over to the men's section, you're gonna get the t-shirts, the tank tops, the long sleeves, the hoodies, sweatshirts, footwear, underwear and sweatpants. In the footwear, you have the socks and the men's shoes and the t-shirts and the tank tops. You can see the different kinds of the t-shirts categories and the tank top categories. Same if we look for the women, then we're going to probably see the tank top, the sweatshirts, the underwears, long sleeves, hoodies, t-shirts, dresses, leggings, and all those kind of stuff. Same for the youth and babies, the youth t-shirts and one sizes. Home and living, it usually contains the pretty much of the items over here. You have the kitchen and dining. So kitchen and dining is a separate section in the home. You're going to get the placemats, aprons, woven rugs, and runners. Laundry baskets, doormats, ornaments, flags, puzzles, drinkware, wall decoration, pillow and bedding, Christmas stockings, bath and towels, magnet coasters, cutting boards. So they have a pretty much amazing products catalog in the home. Now let's see the accessories. What kind of accessories they have? The mouse pad, luggage covers, notebooks, stickers, phone cases, bags, hats, purse, ties, mask, yoga mat. And they also have the jewelry, which contain the necklaces, earrings, and bracelets. So necklaces, they also have the different kinds of categories, the cord necklaces and the metallic necklaces. So they have a huge product catalog on their website, which is selling pretty amazing. Now let's talk about how you're going to sell on this website as being an artist, a creative entrepreneur. I'm going to sell on the Teechip. Teechip, guys, is a marketplace. Oh, that's good. That's good to hear about. Now, many people would be thinking, oh, it's again a print-on-demand service. You need to connect with your website, Etsy, Gumroad, and all those kind of options. But no, this is a marketplace. Teechip is a marketplace. So yeah, give a big high five. Let's talk about it. Sell anything, sell anywhere. Sell millions of proven products online and let Chip take care of the rest. The only e-commerce platform that take care of everything for you. Instant access to tons of products. Obviously, they have a big art catalog, big product catalog, so it's pretty amazing. Built-in payment processing. Chip handles payment and chargeback for you no matter where you are in the world. Fast automated fulfillment, that's pretty amazing. Read the different reviews of the people. If you can dream it, you can sell it. They have the incredible reviews and all those kind of stuff. The profit guaranteed, the world's most conversion friendly buy flow created with online shoppers in mind. 20% higher conversion rate than competitors' stores. Boost revenue by 30 to 50% with upsells. Choose from 16 upsell option to increase your average order value with single click. Over 100 million in repeat business, or AI powered recommendation generate repeat sales. Value focus on acquiring new customers. 1000 plus realistic product and lifestyle mock-up. So also it's an amazing, you're getting pretty amazing mock-up. Access powerful photography that sells because seeing is believingly, especially online. Trusted by power sellers, empowering entrepreneurs around the world with endless opportunities and resources. 25 million products fulfill 1.5 billion in sales since inspection. Amazing. 100 new millionaires in 2020. Okay. Money with Chip like business join for free today. So it's free to get started with that. Okay. Chip is an online platform that handles the logistical side of e-commerce and empowers sellers to focus on creating and selling unique products. We only work with reliable suppliers in the United States and Asia. Product artwork is created by talented artists from all around the world. So this is a little bit about them. So this company is awesome, guys. So how are you gonna get paid? There are the three methods: the PayPal, the Payoneer, and the wire transfer. Okay. PayPal, they take no charges. Within 1 business days, you're gonna get paid. The Payoneer, they're gonna take $3 per each transaction within 1 business days. Then the wire transfer is $25 per each transaction, 3 to 5 business days. Please make sure your payment accounts are valid. Only your first payout will take at least 5 days for review and approval. For any seller who live outside the United States, you must use a foreign currency account for a wire transfer. Any third-party costs like additional PayPal fees may vary seller to seller. So this is the thing, guys, about selling onto the teechip. It's in a marketplace, so very well you can sell it. It also have the drop shipping option for whoever is looking for option to sell, to connect this teechip with their website or with the Shopify or with the other platform to sell. They also offer the drop shipping option. So if you want to go that route, you can very well go out that route as well. But if you just want as a marketplace, then you can go straight forward with the teechip and get started with opening up a shop and do all those things which are important to selling onto the teechip. Another blog where you can read about the different stuffs, about how the payment actually works, what are the different kinds of categories, how to upload the products, various details about maintaining your storefront. They also have the storefront directory, tags directory, where you can see what kind of products are selling, what are the stores that are featured, and what are the products they're selling, what are the tags, and you can do all those research in the teechip and you can get started with selling and opening up a shop onto the teechip right now. It's free to get started with that, and you can get your various other print-on-demand platform if you're looking for an alternative to other print-on-demand platform. They also have the chip reward system where you're gonna get the points for every sale, every unit sale you earn the 1 point. Does not include ASC sales. For reaching milestone and goals and reward challenges. So they have these kind of earning points onto the teechip, a kind of like a reward system put into place. And also if you refer a friend who buys something from the teechip, then obviously you're gonna get paid for the $20 for first few months, and then it like proceeding to $1,000 and so on and so forth. You can very well read all these things. Custom domain, you can get the custom domain for your shop from this. So if you are looking for going with a custom, if you want something like kind of like a custom domain for your shop, then you can very well have that option onto the teechip. They offers that you just need to pay $20 annual fee for this domain registration, for SSL, and for other administrative fees. So you only have an inclusive annual fee of $20 for getting your domain registered for an annual fee. That's all you need to pay if you want a domain name onto the teechip. If you don't want it, then you can very well regularly go with or not that you get it for when you are opening up a shop onto the teechip. So these are the few things about the teechip which are quite unique, having a custom domain. So whoever is looking for the custom domain, there's so much more is there on their website which you can go as a seller if you're looking for selling onto the teechip and to get the more sales. They have the tech directory, storefront features. So So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below. Are you selling onto the teechip? Have you ever read about it, or are you going to sell in future? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.